What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I have the EAA Windicator. I'm going to be unboxing it, so stay tuned. Let's get it. So first and foremost, guys, I just want to say thank you guys for coming and checking out the YouTube channel and looking at the video. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you guys like this video and subscribe for more. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So here's the box, EAA. Do a quick little unboxing right here. Comes with a little red tag. Taking out the red tag. And there's the EAA Windicator, guys. It's a beautiful gun. I absolutely love it. It's a nice steel gun. It feels heavy in the hands. It holds 6 rounds. The trigger pull on it. The trigger pull feels pretty heavy. I think it's about 6-pound trigger pull. From the tip of the gun all the way to the back, I think that's around 7 inches. Let me see if I can get a ruler real quick and show you guys. So from the tip of the gun to the back, it's about 6.5 inches. From the nose to the grip, it's about 6.5 inches, and then from the grip to the top is about, I would say, about 4.5 inches. So it's a pretty good size for everyday carry. I would definitely recommend maybe looking into this gun if you're into revolvers, and it's a good budget price. It's a good feel. It's a good gun, reliable, and it's pretty durable. I absolutely love the feel of the gun. It's all made out of steel, so it does have a little weight to it. That's the only downside for EDC carry, is that it's pretty heavy. This isn't the 357, but you do have an option to get the 357/38 special. 6 rounds, you can't really go wrong with this gun. It's a good buy, I think. So for the grip, it feels like more of like a plushy, rubbery feel. It has like a little sponge to it, but it's very firm, so it makes the gun real comfortable to hold in your hand. The price range varies. I got mine for around 300, but like I said, that's a very good deal for a budget revolver. So if you guys are looking in the market for a budget revolver, go ahead and get you one of these, man. These are nice. I really love the black on it. It has like a little gloss to it, and it's all steel, so it's heavy. But I also do like that it has like a blue tint on it. I don't know, it looks real good. And the grip, man, the grip on it feels good. Feels comfortable. The handle on it, it's pretty long. It's not too short like some other guns, some other snub noses. But man, I absolutely like this classic style. It has like a classic look to it. I don't know if you could tell, but on the camera, it has like a little bronze, like it's like a brown bronze hammer, and you can't really tell from far away, but when you get close up to it, you could see kind of like a tint of like a bronze look. But I think that's pretty cool. I like that. The sights on it, there's the sights. It's just like some basic simple sights. I think I am going to be adding like a red dot in the tip of it right here, or like maybe like an orange or something, like some type of sticker for it to like really show the tip of it. But other than that, man, I absolutely love the style of the gun. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. Just a heads up, guys, this trigger pull is very strong. You gotta have some strong hands or it'll start hurting your finger. But yeah, the double action on it feels real good. Feels real smooth. The single action, the pull in it is pretty strong, so I think it's about 6-7 pounds. So it does take a little effort to shoot the gun, but if you're gonna be shooting this in the shooting range, just a little heads up. Probably want to wear some gloves or something. It's pretty spongy. You hear that? Yeah. But I like it. made in Germany, so I would think they would call this gun the Vindicator, instead of the Windicator, but I don't know, I don't live in Germany, but it's a German gun, guys, EAA. So the way I bought this gun, I really been looking for this gun in a lot of shops, and nobody really seems to have them in their shops. As for my city in San Antonio, Texas, a lot of gun shops do not have this gun. We had to order it. I've been through so many gun shops trying to find it because this was one of the guns that I really wanted when I first started getting into guns. Reason why is because 1, it's budget friendly. 2, I love the way it looks. It looks real clean and real classic. 3 is I saw a YouTube video on it, and it got deep frozen in a freezer at extremely cold temperatures. Gun in fact did shoot flawlessly. Gun did not misfire or blow up in the hands, so I thought that was pretty cool. And the person who did the YouTube video was very, I mean, obviously that's very unexpectedly, like a $300 budget gun. There's no way that it can last it, but this gun did. The only issue that I've heard about this gun is that the screw on the thumb release gets a little loose over time. With a little bit of Loctite and tightening it, no issues. Weight of the gun total is about 1 pound and 13 ounces, so it is a little heavier, on the heavier side, and that's unloaded. If you guys want me to shoot the EAA Windicator, go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and I'll keep you guys updated. If this gets enough likes and views, I'll go ahead and do a shooting range review on this gun and then give you guys my impressions on it, so stay tuned. Now with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching the YouTube video. Please like, comment down below on what do you think I should review next or unbox. Hit that notification, guys, to stay updated on new videos. And with that being said, guys, I'm out. Peace.